In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a video on Instagram DM. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. If you don't want to share your video with all of your followers, you just want to show it to a specific persons, all you have to do is open up Instagram, then right here hit at home icon to bring up home feed, then hit at DMs icon to open up your conversations list. There you can open up some conversation, and here you got two different options how you can send a video on Instagram DM. The first way is to hit right here at that camera icon that brings up camera, and now you can hit once at that shutter icon to take a picture, or you can hold down your finger to record a short video. After you finished, you can release your finger. Right here you can tap where it says allow replay to switch it to keep in chat or to view once. I will switch it to keep in chat, and then you can hit at send button to send that video to your recipient. And also you can upload a video from your camera roll. You can hit right here at that picture icon to bring up your camera roll. Then you can scroll down until you find a video from here. Let it be that one. You can just check mark that video and hit on send. I hope this video helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.